got an engine failure on this truck. There's an engine knock, so I'm trying to find out where the knock is coming from. So my suspicion is where that oil leak is. It's likely that's where the problem is. But I have to take the locker cover off and have a squeeze in there and see what's going on. So yeah, come with me and the Drive HD Komatsu truck, which has an engine, likely an engine failure. So yeah, let's check this. These are covers and take them off and see where the issue is. So my suspicion is on number 3, which is that one there. So yeah, so once I get them off, I'll show you. For now, this is just hang on and the video continues afterwards. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So I've taken off all the bolts. What will happen now is I'm gonna remove this lock cover. See how it's been leaking. So we suspect there should be some sort of what's going on here. Yeah, looks alright. Let's see. Yeah, the cover looks good. Could have just been looking for the seal. Okay. Is there anything we can see here? Yeah, nothing strange there. Everything looks cool. It's alright. It was just leaking from the locker cover and dropping all the oils down there, so there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, everything is good. Alright, okay, yes, we are happy. We'll do the next one, check them all, and then we'll go from there. I'm happy nothing seems out of the ordinary from there. So yes, what I'm doing now here, I'll just remove all the covers and have a look.